Standard 3rd, Subject English, Lesson number 26, A School Teacher's Thoughts. This story is about a school teacher's thoughts. A monologue. Monologue means a long speech by one person. Oh dear, a traffic jam. Will I reach late? Children will wonder why I haven't turned up. I wish I could have started a little earlier today. But how? It's difficult with all the housework, cleaning, cooking, getting my children and their tiffins ready for school. But still, I see to it that I am never late to school. Explanation of the paragraph. The school teacher has left her house to go to school. She is in vehicle. The teacher speaks to herself. Oh dear, a traffic jam. Traffic jam means a large number of vehicles on the road unable to move fast. She is thinking, will she be late to school? The teacher says that children will think why the teacher have not turned up. Turn up means arrived. The teacher says that she should be left the home little earlier. But how it is not possible, as I have to do all my housework like cleaning, cooking, getting my children and their tiffins ready for school. But still, she says she should not be late to school. I wonder if students know that teachers have homework too, correcting their notebooks, test papers, planning how to make their lessons interesting and happy. It's not easy to keep so many children busy in their work. They seem so restless. Here the teacher says to herself whether the students know that the teacher have lots of homework like correcting their notebooks, test papers, planning lessons to make the lesson teaching interesting and happy. She says there are so many children in the class. She has to look after them, otherwise they will be restless. Restless means unable to stay still or quiet. Next paragraph. In class, half my time is spent in solving their little problems, quarrels, and complaints. They are endless. Explanation. The teacher says that in the class, if the teacher is doing some work, there are many complaints. She says, such as, teacher, he is beating me, or teacher, he is pushing me, etc. The teacher spent her half time in solving their problems. She says their complaints are not getting over. They are endless. Now don't think I am complaining. Not at all. I love all the children in my class. I think of them all the time. How eager they are to show me what they do. How happy they look when I praise their work. They depend on me so much. That is why, even when I am not well, I don't feel like missing school. The teacher says that now. Do not think I am complaining. The teacher says that she loves all the children in her class and think of them all the time. The children are so eager. Eager means wanting something very badly to show their notes, homework, the drawing book, activity book, etc. to her. Here she says how happy they look when she praises their work. Praise means appreciate their work. The teacher says that the children depend on their on her so much that even when she is not well, she don't feel like missing school. Last paragraph. I love being a school teacher. Where else could I be like a mom to so many loving kids for a few hours every day? Here, the teacher says she loves being a school teacher. Where else could she be like a mom to so many loving kids for a few hours every day? Students, I hope you all have understood this lesson. Thank you.